like they need another lesson.
Oh, I'm more than happy to teach, brother.
I'll take this small one.
Look at you. I bet Daddy's embarrassed at the trap.
Shut it out. Focus.
Your mother ugly or something? She cut up your face, and
Don't talk about my mother!
don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to rile you up.
Idiots. Sons of
The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Bed!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
This is my favorite.
Gonna drag your carcass to Asgard.